Want to create a smooth reverse loop effect in CapCut? Here's a quick and easy way to do it step by step. First, open the CapCut app and select or create a new project. Import the video clip you want to loop. Now tap on the video in the timeline to highlight it. Scroll along the bottom toolbar until you find the duplicate option and tap on it. This creates a second copy of your clip right after the first one. Next, tap on the second clip to select it. To make the loop even smoother, you can tap on the start of the reversed clip and then tap the keyframe icon to mark the starting point. Scroll through the bottom tools and tap on Reverse. CapCut will now begin generating a reversed version of that clip. Wait a few moments for the process to finish. This helps create a seamless transition if you plan on adding more effects or transitions later. Once done, hit play and you'll see your video play forward, then smoothly reverse creating a perfect loop. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more creative editing guides, and let us know in the comments what effect you want to learn next.